Believe it or not, this cute 3D crochet cactus keychain starts with just a few simple circles. It's perfect as a handmade gift, a cute bag charm, or a small craft fair project. No complicated shaping here. We'll make simple crochet pieces and turn them into a sweet little 3D cactus. Grab your green yarn and a 2.5mm hook. Let's start with a magic ring. Chain 2. Work a total of 14 half double crochets into the magic ring. This first circle will help create that cute 3D cactus shape. Once you have 14 half double crochets, join the round with a slip stitch into the top of the first stitch. Chain 1. Work into the tops of the 14 stitches below. Alternate one increase, then one single crochet, all the way around. At the end, you should have 21 single crochets. This increase round helps the circle stay smooth and even. Try to keep your tension nice and relaxed, so the piece doesn't curl too much. When you reach the end of the round, join with a slip stitch into the top of the first single crochet. Chain 1. Slip stitch into the top of the next stitch. Chain 1, then slip stitch into the next stitch. Continue this same repeat all the way around. After the last slip stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Make an invisible join through the top of the first stitch, then weave in the end on the back of the circle. Follow the same steps to make 5 circles in total. Each circle should have the same number of rounds. Now, fold each circle in half with the outside facing out. This is where the cactus shape starts to come together. Fold all 5 circles the same way. Make sure they're all facing the same direction. Then use a needle to join them together at the top. The direction of the circles really matters here. When they all face the same way, your cactus will look cleaner, fuller, and more balanced. After joining them like this, tie a knot and pull the yarn nice and tight. This little tightening step helps close the top neatly. It also gives the cactus a cleaner finished look. Now, use the top stitches of the circles to close this upper area as much as you can. Now the 3D cactus shape is starting to appear. Pull gently and shape it little by little without tightening too much. Now repeat the same step on the bottom side. Keep the 5 circles folded, join them together, and gather the bottom. If you enjoy small handmade gift projects like this, save this tutorial for later. That way, you can come back and follow each step whenever you need it. Pull this yarn tail toward the bottom and hide it inside. Before trimming the tails too short, give the shape a quick look and make sure everything is nice and even. Perfect. Now the cactus body is ready. Next, we'll close the top opening a little more, then attach the keychain clasp. Now you can really see how those simple circles turn into a full 3D cactus. For me, this is the sweetest part of the project. After forming the cactus, choose any color you like, and let's make the small flower for the top. For the flower, make a magic ring. Chain 2. Into the ring, work 1 double crochet, chain 2, and make a slip stitch. Repeat this same step into the ring 5 times. After the last slip stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. On the backside, pull the magic ringtail tight, then weave it in neatly. Now I'm going to add a small white pearl right in the center of the flower. After the pearl is attached, you can glue the flower right on top of the cactus. Now the cactus and the little flower on top are complete. Now choose any color you like, and let's make the little pot for our cactus. Chain 1, then work 8 single crochets into the magic ring. Pull the magic ringtail tight. Join the round with a slip stitch into the top of the first single crochet. Chain 1. Work 2 single crochets into each of the 8 stitches below. At the end, you should have 16 stitches. This little pot detail makes the whole project feel more polished. Let me know in the comments which color you would choose for your cactus pot. Join the round with a slip stitch into the top of the first single crochet. Chain 1. For round 3, work into the tops of the stitches below. Alternate 1 increase, then 1 single crochet. At the end, you should have 24 stitches. This increase round widens the base of the pot. If the base stays nice and flat, the cactus will sit more evenly when we assemble it later. When you reach the end of the round, join with a slip stitch into the top of the first stitch. Chain 1. Now we'll work into the back loops only. Make 24 single crochets all the way around. Start in the back loop of the stitch where we made the first slip stitch, then continue to the end of the round. Working into the back loops creates a clean edge where the pot starts to rise. It's a small detail, but it makes the finished piece look so much neater. When you reach the end of the round, join with a slip stitch into the top of the first single crochet. From rounds 5 through 9, continue with 24 stitches. Starting from round 5, work 1 single crochet into each stitch around. Continue building the pot with 24 stitches per round until you have 9 rounds after the magic ring. After the magic ring, I've made 9 rounds in total. When you reach the end of the round, join with a slip stitch into the top of the first stitch. Chain 1. This time, work into the front loops only. Make 24 single crochets all the way around. Working into the front loops prepares the decorative folded rim at the top of the pot. Follow each stitch carefully as you go around. When you reach the end of the round, join with a slip stitch into the top of the first stitch. Chain 1. For round 11, work into the back loops again and make 24 single crochets all the way around. Now you can see a clean line forming where the pot rises from the base. And here, another clean line forms right along the folded rim of the pot. When we reach the end of the round, we'll fold this rim like this to finish the pot. If you enjoy little finishing details like this, please give this video a like. These clean touches can make a simple project look so much more special. After the last single crochet at the end of the round, cut the yarn and make an invisible join through the top of the first stitch. At the folded section, we made in rounds 10 and 11. Gently pull the inside of the pot outward. This creates a decorative 2-row rim around the top. Add just a small amount of fiberfill here. Try not to overstuff it. Apply a little glue inside the top of the pot, then place the cactus right in the center. And there we go. We started with simple circles, and now we have a cute little 3D crochet cactus keychain that's perfect for gifting. You can also find the written pattern on my website. And now our cactus keychain is complete. That's everything for this tutorial. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and tell me in the comments which color you would choose for your cactus keychain. See you in the next tutorial. Take care, my friends, and happy crocheting!